Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to clear history on YouTube. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube webpage. Select History from the left side menu. You will see a list of videos you watched. Click on the tiny cross icon next to each video you want to remove. If you want to clear the whole history, click on Clear All Watch History on the right side of your screen. Confirm your choice and click Clear All Watch History in the pop-up window. Check Search History on the right side of your window. If you want to delete certain searches, click on the tiny cross icon next to each search. If you want to delete all search history, click on Clear All Search History on the right side of your window. Confirm your choice and click Clear All Search History in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.